Usual to actually see termites out and about. But that's what they do. The worker termites actually will force these swarmers out. They push them out, but that's very odd to see the actual worker termites out too. Out the surface. That is very strange. But yeah, they're ushering the workers' purpose is to usher the swarmers to get out of the nest area. See what they're doing? They kind of like push them out. They work together. It's really very unique biology, caste system. The workers are blind, but the swarmers, which are the future king and queen, see they're mating up. They're going to mate up tail to tail. They'll mate up end to end. Break their wings off. Yes. And then they pair up and then they go back into the ground. I think, yeah. So never lonely. This type of, here they break their wings off. I already did a few of these swarm calls already. Wayfall. This one is a current client of ours.